saving the Steamboat video. Then I need to put all this into description. About 3. Well, actually, I can't stream or let's play any N64 games currently because I don't have a cable. But because I don't want you buying it. Mercy, grace, mercy, shine. For now. Listen to you get shot. We're gonna help the people. Where are these merchants?
That bomb could blow any second.
I just transfer it.
Look, the reaper.
Issue in the door. Oh, look. Where was it? Crap. Okay, so the Ustream, how to Ustream video is going up right now. Babe. Babe, 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 yo, 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 the baby! You're not getting on me? Then you need to click on Shadows of Jackie. We're gonna do Jackie.
Jackie. So much fun.
No.
Oh, it's taking me forever.
Poppy mama. Calling because I'm taking advantage. Just saving the first part and just Crew is gonna play. What are you gonna play? Dude, you're gonna have to have a go back crazy at the beginning, remember?
Overpass and slingshot right out that shit. The thrusters are fine.
How do you do the brush?
Don't worry, it's probably just a few.
Oh, it is. And a cable instead. Can you stray from this game? Yeah. Grinding, 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 babe. Crew is now finally getting the same, just a Crew. You're still doing tools. How are you liking tools?
It's
Ship.
And just sort of chill out over here.
Hello. So, that's 2. Basking of your one.
yeah.
And did it!
The entrance is blocked. You're going to have to figure out a way to get down there.
Uh-oh.
I told you not to tease.
Crap. It was all about the first sons.